Guys, for having a warm afternoon. Indeed, this is a very warm afternoon. Yan po ang ibig sabihin ng aming pag-welcome po sa inyo. Mainit po ang aming pagdating sa inyo ngayong hapon. And to equalize the already warm atmosphere that we are all experiencing this afternoon, would like to call our coordinator in the gifted. Please give it up for Teacher Trini Latina for Academics.
On behalf of all the teachers and the students of Young Lasing STEM Center, GP Department, we would like to welcome you to today's general assembly. Let us be inspired by the words of Audrey Hepburn when she said, "Remember, if you ever need a helping hand, you'll find one at the end of your arm." As we grow older, we will discover that we have two hands. One for helping yourself, the other for helping others. Once again, welcome to the best house.
Thank you very much, Teacher Tremaine. And before we further inspire this afternoon, para po mawala ang init na inyong nararamdaman, wag po kayong mag-alala. Di ba 10 years, at ito pong overcoat natin ay fully air condition na. So we truly appreciate your coming this afternoon. Your presence is overwhelming. And to recognize each one's presence, masterpiece niya po ang roll call, kanyang special dito, Teacher Jorge. And to welcome and recognize everyone's presence, I would like to give to you the grade 6 edges on the Kaiser Teacher Mel de la Cruz. Be ready po! Kakaiba ito. Pleasant good afternoon to everyone. Ganito na lang po yung roll call natin, no? Una lang po. Very familiar po kayo sa song na to. Kasi ginagawa ko yung nalipat-lipat po ang natin. Before we proceed po, we would like to make a special announcement to the owner of this vehicle with the plate number XPZ763. It's a Nissan Frontier XPZ